let's do some solves, hey? Grab a cube and then hit your times in the chat and flex and show off. And we're on R2D2 watch as well today, so if we find R2D2, he'll get a special mention. Am I on the right window? Come on, here we go. I'm not making this mistake again. Yeah, okay, we can deal with this. Nope, that was an error. Unforced error straight off the bat. Oh, come on, brain. Oof, that was painful. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, I did not deserve that skip. I really didn't deserve it. Put your times in the chat. I did not want to start with a 26 today, and that saddens me. Oh no, is 8-Ball trying to kick out Caden Lee? Rough, soz about it. Okay, here we go. Cuber making it here live for the first time. Not me, Cubes. I did get a PLL skip, but I did not deserve it. I spent about an hour doing F2L, and it hurt. Will he get a PLL skip next solve? 8-Ball says, nah, mate. Rough. Okay. Well, hopefully I can just butcher F2L a little bit less. This is what I'm talking about, though. This is what I'm after. Where are my white cross solvers at? Because this is a bit of a gift. Ah! Gambled and lost on that one. And... Ooh! Let's go. Is that best on stream? That might be best on stream, everyone. Kuranir with an 18. speedcube apparently doing FMC. 8-Ball sassing me out again. Totally not Lydia with a 19. Messed up the cross. Surely not on white. Alright, let's get another one. Let's get it. We're going to get an average of 5. Oh, so nearly an R2D2. There he is! R2D. R2D prime back to D. R2D2! Didn't see that coming, did you? I've had that there for weeks and I just keep forgetting to work it. R2D B prime. Okay, I can live with this. I can really live with this. This is a gift too. Let's go. Ah, I squandered it. Come on now, come on now, come on now. Massive brain fart. That's devastating. That should have been a sub 20. I really cooked that. I could have counted the 18. No, that's not true. I could have got something really good there. And then it went poorly. Okay. Keep going, let it roll. Paradox with a 6.4 Rue. Not me with a 9. Jeffrey Chen with a 9. Oh, welcome back, Jeffrey. I didn't see you sneak in. Right, where are we? Where are we with this one? Okay. Can cope. Can cope with this. There you are. That's a gift. Oh, I'm really not warmed up today. Counting sub 20. Counting sub 20. Best possible average, 20.75. If I can land this, this is stream PB. Whew. No pressure. Dump me with a 10. What's up with the flow? Welcome along from Canada. Paul Sun with a 21. Very nice. Paul Sun. Ooh, Paul Sun solving. Solving color neutral. That's very cool. Very swag. Okay, that was 4. Right, this is the last one. Okay, let's see if I can get this. Can I get this 20 average of 5? Woo! R2D2 with an R. Okay. This is very exciting. And there's a lot of pressure. Caden Lee. Oh, Caden Lee. The 8-ball likes my chances. Okay. Oh, dang it. I mean, I've got to take a 21. I cannot be disappointed with a 21. What was the average of 5? Okay. So a biff to 26 and the 18. I counted a 24. There's your problem.